Alright, so welcome back again, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to set up our Windows Server 2019 as an Active Directory domain controller. Alright, so for us to do this, what we're going to do is go into our VirtualBox, alright, and we're going to power on our server. Alright, when we do power on our server, when we do power on our server, alright, what we will be doing is going to Server Manager, alright, and you can find that right here. So you're gonna press the Start menu and you'll see Server Manager right here. Alright, so that's gonna start up. Alright, nice. So when your Server Manager starts up, what you're gonna do, alright, what you're gonna do is add roles and features. Alright, after you do press add roles and features, what you're gonna do is press next. You're gonna make sure you select role based or feature based installation. Next. Next. Alright, wonderful. So what you're gonna do here now is select server. Alright, you're gonna make sure this is selected and press next. Alright, so from here you're just going to select Active Directory Domain Services. Alright, so this one. You're gonna add features, and you're also going to select DNS server. Alright, nice. And what we're gonna do now is press next. Here we're just gonna make sure group policy management that is automatically checked. Okay, and we're gonna press next. Next again. Next another time. And now we're going to install. Alright, this may take a while according to the speed of your computer, alright, but this is something that usually does take a little while. Alright, so I will check back in when this is done with the installation. Alright, so now that is done, what we're gonna do, alright, when it's done, you'll see configuration, required installation succeeded on Server 2019 complete, the name that you had entered. Alright, so what we're gonna do is select promote this server to a domain controller. This is gonna load. Alright, and now we're gonna press add a new first. When we do press add a new first, we're going to put a domain name here, and I'll put mine as right, click next. It's gonna load. When you're doing this, you know you're gonna have to have a little bit of patience. Alright. Right, so now we're going to create a directory password. Right. Alright, wonderful. Next. I'm gonna gonna press next, and an advice name should pop up here, right? It should automatically be generated. It should come up as Anthony. because I did put Anthony.com. Alright, all caps, ANTHONY, Anthony. And now we're gonna press next. And we're gonna play the waiting game again. Alright, wonderful. And you're not gonna touch any of this, we're just gonna go on to next. And this is a review of everything that was just done. Alright, review options. Alright, Anthony, you know, everything here, Anthony.com. Alright, nice. Now we're gonna press next again. And it will be doing the prerequisite check. Alright, so we're gonna go on to the waiting game again. Alright, and now that that is done, we're gonna click install, and we should be prompted to restart. Okay, so let's see if that does go. Okay, as you can see, this does take a little while, you know. Okay, so as you can see, we did get the prompt. Alright, you're about to be signed out. The computer is being restarted because Active Directory Domain Services was installed or removed. Okay, and as you can see here, it is restarting. Alright, so now that that has been restarted, okay, we're going to go back on our server. Alright, and what we are going to do is, in our server, we're going to go to network settings, and we're going to double check the adapter options and not the adapter option, we're going to double check the network configurations and the sharing options and stuff like that. Alright, so we're going to go into the sharing. Alright, and we are going to change adapter options. Alright, properties 04. Alright, there's a type in here. Alright, I'm gonna come here. There should be 2. Alright, we click OK. Alright, wonderful. And we're gonna also check the sharing options. Alright, make sure that these stuff turned on. One second. Alright, so basically what we're doing here, we're just making sure that network discovery is on. Alright, turn that on. Okay, wonderful. And now we're just going to go on our Windows 10, and we're going to double check here as well. Alright, change adapter options, properties. Alright, 2 6 8 0 2. Okay. Advanced sharing options. Make sure this is on. Wonderful. Let's Just make sure everything else is as it should be. Okay, perfect. To change. Alright, nice. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna stay on Windows 10 and we're gonna go into files, right click on this PC, press properties, right, and this work group, right, it should be connected to our domain, right? That's the objective. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna change settings, right, click change and member of domain, right, and now we're gonna enter name. My one will be Anthony.com. Right. Okay. Yes, now one of the error appeared here. Alright, so we're actually gonna type this in without the administrator. Okay, alright, nice. And here is where we would be doing that. Alright. Okay. One second. Come try this backslash, right. That should have fixed it there. Alright, so I did rectify that situation. I was putting the wrong password. Alright, so we figured out how to put in the correct password. I also did change my computer into George, and we are welcomed to the domain. Alright, okay. Alright, you must restart your computer to apply these changes before restarting saving your files. Okay. Let's just go ahead and start now. Alright, so we've been restarted and we're gonna log in. Alright, and we're just gonna go ahead and recheck this real quick. Just want to make sure that this is on. Alright, wonderful. We're just going to go into our File Explorer, Properties, and domain Anthony.com. Right, so now we're going to focus on our server and we're going to create this trust relationship. Alright, to do this, what we're going to do, we're going to come here, right here, and we're going to look for Windows Administrative Tools. I'm going to select Active Directory Users and Computers. Right. From here, I'm gonna select Anthony.com, computers, right click on George, go to properties, right, go to delegations, and trust this computer for delegations to any services. Apply. Okay. Alright, and the last thing that we're gonna have to do here is change one more setting. Alright, so how we're gonna do that? We're gonna stay on server. I'm gonna go to server manager. Alright, we're gonna click tools, go into services, alright, from services we type FUN, and we're looking for function discovery resources, which is right here, properties, and this is the one automatic. Apply. Okay, wonderful. And now we're gonna go over to our clients. One second. Alright, and we're gonna go into our task manager. More details. Services. Open services. And we're gonna look for the same thing, function discovery resources, and this should as well go on automatic. Alright, so we're just gonna do a quick double check. Right, we're gonna go file, properties, right, we are connected. Wonderful. Thank you very much for watching this video. This concludes the tutorial.